How you doing, Paul from AutoVolt here. So yes, just showing you today on the Volkswagen Amarok Mark 1 how to wire up if you're using our high beam stroke LED grill piggyback loom. So yes, first of all I'll describe the loom itself. So you've got three wires. You've got a black, which is your earth for your LED grill. You've got a red, which is your live for your LED grill, and then you've got your yellow, which is your output for your high beam, which is then to be connected on the suitable relay. We also sell the relay looms, but a lot of products come with that. So this will be the positive that you're looking for, the high beam trigger, and I'll show you now how this works. So yes, basically the Amarok is a wee bit more tricky because this plug will sit like this. So what you need to do is get into here and use this little tab to remove it from the headlight. So it can be tricky. Sometimes it helps swearing at it. So what I'll do is take that off first of all. Okay, so we have that off. So this is your body wiring harness already. It's connected to the car, and basically all you do is connect our loom up to it and then reconnect again this one that you've been shouting at back onto the bottom of the headlight until you will hear a click. So now that that's all connected up, you've got your negative for your LED grill, you've got your positive for an LED grill or any small voltage lights that you're looking to fit along your grill, or even side steps, side marker lights, and then you've got your high beam. That's your 12 volt comes out for your high beam, so that'll be connected onto the relay. And yeah, it's as simple as that.